So here we have the Toyota Auris on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. This vehicle also comes with this vinyl boot liner, which would have been an additional extra in this car when it was new. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the right-hand side, we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. Over on the left-hand side, we have the gauge that will show you whether the hybrid motor is charging, whether you're driving in the eco band or power band for the car. It'll also show you what gear this vehicle is in over there as well. Of course, we're in park at the moment. In the center, you can see we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. And beneath that, we have the total miles for the car. They are 34,201. Directly beneath that, you'll see that it says EV in green there. That's to say that this vehicle is currently in electric vehicle mode as we sit here right now. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have the buttons just here that will change the information in the center. We have cruise control, lane departure warning system, and then stereo and phone controls over on the left-hand side. To use the phone controls, you need to pair the phone up to the car, which is done over in the center here. We are not going to pair that at the moment. You can see we've got satellite navigation, and it's a nice clear color display. A really easy system to use, but we have done a video showing how this works, which you can find on our website and on our YouTube channel. If I pop the car into reverse, you'll also see that we've got a full color reversing camera as well. In terms of the audio options in this car, we have got AM, FM and DAB radio, auxiliary input, Bluetooth audio, a couple of different apps you can stream up onto here. We have our CD player, iPod and USB inputs as well. Beneath that, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can also change the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature that you've asked for, or temperatures, by taking control of the fan speed and the direction of the air. You can override that manually whenever you wish to. We have a heated driver's seat with 2 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger side. We can turn our traction control off from here. We have auxiliary and USB inputs, a 12-volt charging socket just there. We can turn the handbrake, the parking brake I should say, for the automatic gearbox on and off here, and then you have reverse, neutral and drive all up here. So reverse at the top, drive down the bottom here, and as I say, that will put the vehicle back into park. And then lastly, these buttons here, so you can select power mode for the car, eco mode, or if there's enough charge, you can put the vehicle in EV mode from there as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.